Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And in this video, I am just going to show you the pop off using Peel Base. So my last video didn't show them that well, so this one I'm going to show you how to remove all of them. And don't mind the funky nails, I was trying out some of the designs and I did another video for somebody yesterday, so that's why the thumbnail is different. But all these other nails, I've had them on for 11 days now, and I just did clear base and then I did 3 coats of my peel base. And then after that dried, I did my manicure. So this is just showing you how I pop it off. And this tool is not a dental tool. It actually came in my manicure kit that's right here, and it came, I got it on Amazon, and it came with a file, cuticle clippers or cuticle cutter, and then 2 different cuticle pushers. So I don't know what this tool is called, but it works really well for removing nails with peel base. And this will show you how fast you can remove them. I did this thumbnail yesterday, and look how easy that popped off. It barely took any pressure. It came off in one piece. My nail is intact. My tip is intact. The clear base is perfect. Absolutely nothing. Like I could go redip it. Okay, and so my index finger was giving me a little bit of trouble, so I kept trying to push my little nail tool in different spots. As you can see, I'm kind of working my way around the nail, and it wasn't coming up very easily because I was getting it under the clear, not just the color. So this one was giving me a little bit of extra work. So I'm going to actually end up skipping this nail and moving on to the next to show you the rest of them. And still messing with it. I messed with it for way longer than I thought. But this just shows you, if you're not using peel base over clear, if you're using peel base on your natural nail, please do not force it off. Just come back to it, let it do its thing. It's not ready and it'll tear your nails. But see, just barely push it under, the whole thing pops right off. And then go back to my pinky nail. As you can see, I'm just going to wedge it between the dip and the clear. You can see there's a little line between the dip and clear layers. I'm just going to press it under there, and it will pop right off with no damage, no nothing. And sometimes you have to work around the nail to find as good a lifted spot. That side was lifting on the opposite side, but most of the time, don't try to force it up or try to pop it off by your cuticle. A lot of the time it'll come off easier and better if you could wedge it between, like, towards the tip more, like kind of like this one, how I'm trying, not necessarily in the tip itself, but somewhat close to it, like on the one of the sides. Sometimes it's easier to get the tip in there, and that's all it needs for it to just lift off. But if you don't have the clear base on there, please do not do it this way. If you have peel base directly on your nails and they're not giving, like if they're not ready to come off, you're going to tear most likely the tips off your nails. You're going to pull layers of your nail off. And this one, it's not going to show it yet. It'll show you in a few minutes. I couldn't get it off, and so finally, once I was able to, it did take my clear and my tip with it. It didn't damage my nail. My nail looks a little kind of messed up. Not really messed up, but a little rough from like buffing my natural nail. But now I don't do it anymore because I use the tips and the clear base and stuff like that. So anyway, on to the next hand. As you can see, it took the tip with it, but no damage to my nail. Wedge it under the side of my thumbnail, and it's going to easily pop right off, barely putting any pressure, just a little bit just to get that tip in there, and it comes right off, all in one piece. Super easy. And same with my index finger. This one came off with like no issues whatsoever. And mind you, these have been on for 11 days. I've had 2, I think, pop off in the last 11 days, and all I did was add 3 more coats of Peel Base to my nail, and I used Base Bond, stuck it on there, and I glued it right back on. And then it came off just like this. Like, you can see how easy it works. I love using it this method. My nails, I could literally go right back in, except that index finger, and dip right on top of these clear. And the nice thing about using Peel Base, I have not soaked in acetone in a couple months. And you can, like, my natural nails are so strong. Peel Base is amazing. I've never tried other brands, but Sparkle & Co.'s is probably one of my favorite nail products. So if you like to change your nails often, or even if you don't, this will help strengthen your nails. Not as in the product is meant to strengthen them, but as in you use this in place of acetone, so you don't have to soak off. So I would highly, highly, highly recommend Peel Base. And if you're interested and don't have it yet, or have not ordered from Sparkle & Co., go to their website, sparkleandco.com, order the Peel Base, whatever other products you want, they're all amazing, and use code SPARKLE10 for 10% off your order and free shipping over $25. And you can also use my name as a referral in the notes at checkout on your first purchase and receive a $9 credit, or sign up for a subscription bag. Do it before Black Friday to get 40% off on Black Friday. But you can use my name when you sign up for a subscription, and we'll each get an $18 credit, which is pretty cool. But anyway, here's what the Peel Base looks like. There is 2 different bottles on the website. They are the same product. This is just a newer bottle. Same product though, so either or. And see, 0 damage. They came off super, super easy. 5 minutes took off all of those nails. And here is the final result. And I'll just touch up the clear, which I have another video for. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Leave a comment with videos you would like to see. Deuces and smooches.